start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends if you love LEGO builds and spooky fun. Hi friends, today we are building something super cool and a little scary. It's Sprunki Black Phase 2 in LEGO. Let's start with Mr. Black's base. We take some strong black bricks and make a flat, strong platform. This will hold the whole build. So make it nice and steady. Now we build half of Mr. Black's body, starting from the tummy up to the neck. While building, let's add small white bricks in front to make a cool tie design. Ooh! It's already starting to look stylish. Next, let's build Mr. Black's two big arms. These arms are super long, so we take our time and make them strong. Carefully connect all the pieces so they don't fall off. When both arms are ready, we attach them to the body. Nice and firm. Be careful, those arms are so long they can almost wave to the next room. For the scary part, the face. First, we build an open mouth shape. Inside the mouth, we add white monster teeth, top and bottom, to make it look extra scary. Then, we start building the head above the mouth. We place a brick where the eyes will go, and then attach both eyes. Black is starting to look alive. Black's famous round cap. We use small and big black bricks plus one round white brick in the middle. Take your time. It should look perfectly round, just like the real one. When the cap is ready, we fix it right on top of Black's head. Now we put all the parts together: the base, body, neck, arms, head, and cap. Press everything tightly so it stays strong. Yay! Sprunki Black Phase 2 is ready. Let's give it a slow spin so we can see outside, the long arms, the scary teeth, the cool tie, and that awesome round cap. Let's take a closer look at the mouth. Ooh, scary! Now from the back. So cool! He's ready to scare and maybe ready for a big Lego hug too. That was so much fun building Sprunki Black Phase 2 together. If you like this build, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Happy Vlogsters for more awesome Lego builds. Tell me in the comments, which Sprunki character should we build next? Thanks for watching, friends. Bye-bye and happy building!